I've got a little restoration project just come in. It's a Wilesco D455. The vertical stationary engine. I've seen these quite a bit online. They seem to be good value for money. They're not expensive. Even new, they're not expensive. So they seem to go quite cheap online, second hand. This one was sold as a spares or repairs. I've already done a little tiny repair on it. There's still two screws in here were missing. So I don't know if someone's been playing with this, and it's got the steam oil cap was missing. So I just put a little cap head in there for now, just so that when I do come round to running it, the oil don't leak out. But I think they're underestimated. I will run. I haven't run it yet. I haven't run it at all. But I think they're underestimated. I think Wilesco are underestimated. Apart from the big one, the D32. I've got this. I've got a D32. I've got this, and I've got a D24, which is it needs some work as well. And I'm going to be doing videos on all of them. But I quite like this. I mean, you know, the sort of German models are always good quality, and I still, you know, stand by that for the Wilescos. It's nicely made. It's double acting piston. It's got a huge water glass, you know, sight glass. It's got a little bit of rust on it, a few bits and pieces. The base seems to have a sort of a hammerite type finish. But I'll get this running and give it a good clean up. But you know, I've seen them sparkling. I don't think I'll probably be able to do much with the flywheel. The coating, zinc coating seems to have gone. Or be going. This is probably kept in a garage or shed where it wasn't very warm. But overall, I think these are good models. They always seem to run very smooth. So I haven't seen this one running yet. But when I've seen whenever I buy something, I suppose the same as everyone else, really. I buy something and then I either look at the YouTube videos before I buy it or after I buy it, and just do a bit of research and find out a little bit about them. But these seem to always run smooth. So I'm sure it's going to clean up quite nicely. I don't think there's anything missing. It just wasn't as shiny as some of the others. I mean, most of them are gleaming. You know, really, the boilers seem to come up very shiny. I know when they're sold new. I think this at the moment is about £250. That's January 2026. They're something like £250 brand new. So they're not going to fetch too much money used, and especially in a used condition like this. But I wouldn't mind betting that a little bit of auto sole or something on this. Nothing missing. That's a bit stiff. But it still works. So you can see that hasn't been used very much. That has been used because it's nice and loose. Everything turns over nice and smoothly. It will run in both directions. It's got a little slip eccentric there. It runs in both directions. Yeah, so I need to get a proper cap for the oil feed. But just a short video today. I'm down the garage. It's freezing cold. I had to order that. It didn't come with a burner, so I had to order that. Well, I'm not sure that's exactly the right burner for it. Sort of doesn't sit quite right in there. So I've got a feeling that's not the right burner, but it'll do for now. It wasn't expensive and it was in stock, so I bought it. Probably want to get some badges, some stickers to improve on that. Yeah, so my next video will be this the clean up and try and get it running. Yeah, it's got two two grooves on the pulley. I've seen these running some you know, the drive machines, little fairground toys, or the workshop toys. I think they're reasonably powerful, and you know what it's going to be. These are going to be classic in years to come, just like the big Doles and the Bings and the Marklins. These are overlooked now, and I think from the videos I've seen, I think they're overlooked, and unfairly, really. They look like a very good model. So we'll see, but I'll put another one on here in the next couple of days. I'll give it a clean up, and then there'll be another one on there with me Jowett when I get that going. But that won't be long either. But I said on the other video, I just had a small operation and I shouldn't really even be in the garage. But you know what it's like. Can't sit indoors just watching the telly, so I've come down the garage to play with my interests. Cheers guys, we'll do another one soon.